Are you looking for the best 360-degree action cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 360-degree action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo. The DJI Osmo Nano camera is perfect for capturing sharp and vivid videos, thanks to its 1/1.3 sensor that lets in more light. This means you can get clear shots even in low light or fast-moving scenes. It records stunning 4K videos at 60 frames per second with a wide 143 degrees field of view, making it great for action shots, vlogging, or pet adventures. The camera is very portable and lightweight, so you can easily carry it in your pocket and shoot hands-free using its magnetic design. Plus, it delivers bright, lifelike colors, ideal for those who want professional-looking videos with rich detail. What we like: high-quality 4K video, wide 143 degrees field of view, compact and portable design, vivid, cinematic color output. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is a versatile action camera designed to enhance your adventure filming. It works seamlessly with HB series lenses, allowing you to switch between ultra-wide, macro, and cinematic shots easily, giving you creative control for amazing perspectives. The camera records stunning 5.3K video, offering much higher resolution than standard 4K or 1080p, so your footage and photos look sharp and detailed. You can also capture slow-motion moments like never before, with up to 13 times slower video to catch every exciting detail. Plus, it's rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet, so you can confidently take it on any outdoor or water adventure without worry. What we like: HB series lens compatibility, high-resolution 5.3K video, advanced slow-motion recording, durable and waterproof design. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 is designed for those who want top-quality action footage with ease. Its streamlined accessory combo makes it perfect for quick trips or daily use, letting you start simple and add more gear later. The camera's powerful 1/1.3 sensor excels in low light, so you get clear, vibrant videos even after dark. With advanced subject tracking, it keeps fast-moving people or pets perfectly centered, ideal for active vlogging or sports. Plus, voice control lets you capture moments hands-free, so you can focus on the action without fumbling with buttons. What we like: high-quality low-light sensor, advanced subject tracking, voice control functionality, minimalist accessory setup. Number 4. GoPro Hero Action Camera. The GoPro Hero camera is designed to be your perfect adventure companion. Its ultra-compact and lightweight design means you can easily carry it anywhere, whether in your pocket or attached to your gear. You won't have to worry about durability or water damage, as it's built tough and waterproof up to 16 feet, making it great for capturing moments in mud, snow, or water. With simple controls, you just need to frame your shot and press the shutter button, making it easy to get great footage without any hassle. Plus, it records stunning 4K videos and snaps clear 12MP photos, ensuring your memories look amazing. What we like: compact and lightweight, waterproof up to 16 feet, easy-to-use controls, high-quality 4K video, 12MP photo capture. Number 5. Insta360 X5 8K 360 degrees action camera. The Insta360 X5 camera lets you capture stunning 8K 360 degrees videos with its dual sensors, giving you sharp and colorful footage from every angle. Its AAA chip design helps you shoot clear videos even in low light, so your nighttime or dim scenes look bright and vibrant. You can also create unique third-person views without a visible selfie stick by using the camera's AI-assisted reframing feature, making your shots look professional and creative. Plus, Instaframe mode makes it easy to get flat, ready to share videos right away, with options to track your movements or lock in a fixed angle for perfect results every time. What we like: 8K 360 degrees video quality. Excellent low light performance. Invisible selfie stick effect. Instant ready to share videos.